Good day, class. For this week, we will discuss about the compare and contrast the different types of investments. And this topic is already for the quarter 4 of this semester. What is investment? Investment is an asset or item acquired with the goal of generating income of appreciation. Appreciation refers to an increase in the value of an asset over time. Ano raw yung investment? Ito yung mga asset or item na na-acquire natin. O paano natin acquire? Binili for the purpose of generating income. At yung pag-generate ng income na yan, ibig sabihin, tataas yung value nung ating kinuhang item. So, yun yung appreciation. So, opposite ito ng depreciation. No? Yung depreciation na bumababa ang value ng property. So, ito naman yung appreciation, tumataas yung value ng isang asset. To invest is to allocate money in the expectation of some benefit in the future. In finance, the benefit from an investment is called a return. Tandaan niyo yung term na yan, return. The return may consist of a gain or loss realized from the sale of a property or an investment, unrealized capital appreciation or depreciation, or investment incomes such as dividend, interest, rental income, or a combination of capital gain and income. The return may also include currency exchange rates. Ibig sabihin, sa pag-i-invest natin, meron tayong ini-expect na return. Lamang, hindi natin sure kung ito ay gain or loss yun sa mga ini-invest natin. Or pwede rin naman combination ng gain at loss. A financial investment is any asset or instrument purchased with the intention of selling the said asset for a price higher than the purchase price at some future point in time. There are many ways in investing. Buying and selling products can be considered investing at a lower cost and selling them at a higher price. So, ganyan daw yung financial investment, no? Bibili ka ng item habang mababa ang kanyang value or par value, hihintayin mong tumaas, tapos ibebenta mo. So, meron kang gain doon sa investment na ginawa mo. Yung ginagawa ng iba, no, nag-speculate, halimbawa, mababa ngayon ang presyo ng capital stock. Ang gagawin nila, lalo yung nasasangkot sa mga controversies ng mga company. Okay, mga issues. Pag bumaba yung stocks niyan, sasamantalahin ng iba ang pagbili ng stocks, yung value ng stocks habang mababa. Tapos, at some other point in time, kapag nakabawi na sa value, gumaganda na ulit yung performance ng company at tumataas na ulit yung value ng kanilang capital stock, binebenta na ulit ito ng mga investors. So, dun sila kumikita. We have different types of investments. Ito yung iba rito ay mga familiar tayo, no? Stocks, bonds, investment funds, bank products, options, annuities, retirement, savings for education, initial coin offering, cryptocurrencies, commodity futures, security futures, and insurances, at iba pa. There are types of investments, and these are grouped into 3. We have fixed income and equities, alternative to fixed income and equities, and other investment assets. Tingnan natin kung ano-ano yung mga yan. Equity investments generally consist of stocks or stock funds. Equity, kaya binanggit siyang equity. While fixed income securities generally consist of corporate or government methods. So, yung fixed income, usually sa mga stocks yan, fixed income naman, example yan yung mga sa bangko, di ba? Nag-deposit ka sa savings deposit, tapos nakaka-receive ng interest, o kaya ganun din naman yung time deposit, no? Yung mga fixed deposits na tinatawag. yung mga interest na nakukuha natin dito ay mga fixed income. The term fixed income refers to the interest payments that an investor receives are based on the solvency of the borrower and current interest rates. So ito yung mga nagpapautang, no? Kapag nagbabayad na si borrower, syempre dapat meron ding kaukulang interest yun, at yun nga ay fixed income ng lender. This type of investment offers higher interest based on how their maturities are. Example natin yung mga bonds. Yung mga nagpapautang in the form of bonds. So habang mas kung long term ito, mas mataas ang interest niyan. Equity investment refers to buying shares in a particular company and thereafter holding it in order to gain ownership interest that can be sold later to generate reasonable returns depending on its investment objectives. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Bumibili sila ng mga stocks sa iba't ibang kumpanya, tapos pagka tumataas, minomonitor nila yan. Kung tumataas, bumaba yung value. Pagka tumaas yan, pwede nilang ibenta sa iba, so kumita sila. Kaya yung iba, o kaya naman kung hindi nila agad ibenta, at least hawak-hawak lang nila yung nag-invest lang sila, kumikita naman sila sa dividend. Kaya yung ibang mga tao ay may mga shares doon sa PLDT, sa Meralco, at sila ay nakaka-receive ng mga dividends mula dito sa mga to. We have these advantages and disadvantages ng fixed income and equities. Unang-una yung stock equity. Ang advantage niya, unlimited upside. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng tumaas ang tumaas. Diba? Kapag magandang performance ng company, tataas yung value, yung dividend mo tataas din. Disadvantage, no guaranteed returns. Riskiest of all assets can even lose more than 50% of their money in one day. Ang disadvantage nga, hindi guaranteed na lagi kang mataas ang value o yung mataas yung return. Even in one day, pwedeng biglang mawala. Yan yung sinasabi rito. We have also bank deposits, known income based on outstanding principal and current interest rate. Shorter, if any, holding period versus bonds. So, pinag-compare dito, no? Yung shorter period na loan at ang bonds, kasi long-term yung bonds. So, yung disadvantage niya, lower interest income versus bonds, no? Mas mababa ang interest na na-earn dito sa mga ito, sa mga bank deposit, kesa yung sa nagpautang ka in the form of bonds. Settlement risk if the bank closes. So, kapag ka ang bangko ay nagsara, mawawala ang iyong mga deposit. Pero, insured naman yan sa Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. At ang maximum na pwede nilang i-insure sa iyong deposit ay up to 500,000 per person. Hindi yan per account, per person. Kaya nga guys, no? Bakit 500 lang yung insurance na ino-offer ng PDIC? Para ang mga tao ay hindi mag-focus lamang sa isang bangko at doon lamang maglagak ng deposit. Para sa ibang bangko, mag-deposit din ang mga tao. At sa pamamagitan nun, nabubuhay ang industriya ng banking. Walang mamamatay. Unless nagkaroon ng mismanagement, na bankrupt, yun, nagsara. Ayun, so yung bonds na, which is the fixed income, it is known periodic payments for a certain period of time. Nagpapautang ka in the form of bonds, ikaw naman ay nakakatanggap ng interest, halimbawa monthly, ganyan, magkano, hanggang sa dumating yung maturity date. Can lose money if bond investment is held until maturity. Ang disadvantage niya, if not held until maturity and pre-terminated, investor can gain or lose depending on the prevailing interest rates at the time of pre-termination. So, pwede palang i-pre-terminate. Kaya lang nga, depende doon sa prevailing interest rate, yung kikita ka or malulugi ka or yung tinatawag natin talo ka. Other examples of fixed income investments are treasury bills, money market instruments, and asset-backed securities. We have also the mutual fund and unit investment trust fund. Mutual fund, it is an advanced portfolio management, dividend reinvestment, risk reduction, convenience, fair pricing. Halimbawa, may tatlong tao na gusto nilang yung pera nilang naipon ay ilagak sa mutual funds. So, pagsasama-samahin nila yon, tapos yung kumpanya na nagmamanage ng iyong funds, ayan, sila yung naghahanap kung saan nila i-invest yung inyong mga pera. At disadvantage ito, higher expense ratios and sales charges, management abuses, tax inefficiency, poor trade execution. So, yun yung nakadepende yan sa nagmamanage ng inyong mutual funds. At tandaan natin guys, meron silang sinisingil na fees or professional fees. Ang unit investment trust fund naman, same as mutual funds, and also it is easier access because clients can open an account in any branch of the bank near them. Yan, unit investment trust fund. So kahit anong bangko na malapit sa'yo, pwedeng gamitin. No entry and management fees, unlike nga doon sa mutual funds meron, no? At usually mahal yan. Kaya hindi ka, kung maliit lang yung pera mo, parang hindi bagay na mutual funds mo siya. Ang disadvantage ng unit investment trust fund naman, no shared rights for investors such as dividends and voting rights. So, walang dividend at voting rights. So, mutual funds give small investors to access to professionally managed diversified portfolios of equity, bonds, and other securities. So, yun nga, no? Professional ang mga taong humahawak ng inyong mutual funds, but this is subject to management fee. Kaya nga usually medyo mahal yung fee na yan. At meron din naman tong dividends na nakukuha. Yun nga yung UITF ay iba't ibang bangko. Pwede mo naman yung malapit na bangko, sila na ang gamitin para sa iyong pag-invest. At ang maganda rito ay wala silang management fee in opening this account. And also ang UITF holders, they do not receive any investment since it gives no shareholder rights to the account owner. Other investment assets, ano-ano ba ito? Currencies, cryptocurrencies or digital currencies, commodities. Ang advantages ng currencies, alam niyo naman kung ano yung currencies, ito yung mga pera mismo, no? Largest market in the world in terms of trading volume, so much liquidity. Unlike stocks, commodities, etc., currency asset itself is a medium of exchange which can use to transact. So yun na nga yung currency by the word itself. Ito nga yung mga pera at ito na mismo yung medium of exchange. Disadvantage, volatile and trades 24 hours a day. So ibig sabihin, nagpa-fluctuate, bumababa ang value, tumataas ang value. Pag nagkaroon ng inflation, halatang halata dun sa value ng pera mo dahil kakonti na lang ang mabibili. Generally uses margin trading which allows clients to be more than their capital. We have also the cryptocurrencies or digital currencies. Familiar kayo dito? Kasi ito na yung trend ngayon. Like yung mga Bitcoin, yan, yung mga meron kami dati before yung Stellar, no? Pero nawala na rin yata. Ethereum, meron pa. So yan yung mga tinatawag nating cryptocurrencies or digital currencies. They are protected or used in protection from inflation. They are self-governed and managed at secure and private. Currency exchange can be done easily kasi isang pindot mo lang yan sa iyong computer. Yan, ayun na, no? Nakapag-invest ka na, naibili mo na sa iba. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Then decentralized siya Tapos, cost-effective mode of transaction kasi nga convenient. At dahil convenient, hindi ka nagagastos ng malaki pa. Napakadali. A fast way to transfer funds. So, yun naman yung. Ang disadvantages naman niya ay it can be used for illegal transactions like yung money laundering. Ginagamit sa money laundering yan. Data losses can cause financial losses. So, alam mo, pag mahina internet mo, yan, no, data losses. Or may nag-hack ng iyong account tapos may mga ninakaw, nawala yung data, na-compromise na yung data. So, yun yung sinasabi rito na magbibigay ng financial losses sa'yo. Decentralized but still operated by some organization, some coins not available in other fiat currencies. Hindi lahat supported. So, depende siguro yan sa bansa rin, no? Adverse effects of mining on the environment. Susceptible to hacks, yun na nga, no? Kapag na-hack yung iyong computer. So, no refund or cancellation policy. We also have commodities. These are natural hedge against inflation, negatively correlated with equities and bonds. Correlated those sa equities and bonds. Same as currencies and disadvantages. Impractical to invest directly considering storage, transportation, and insurance cost involved. So, ano ba mga halimbawa nitong other or mga commodities na ito? So, later on, malalaman natin. Real estate, okay? Alam natin ang real estate, papatayo ka ng bahay, papaupahan mo, yun na yung investment mo, kumikita ka sa upa monthly. O kaya naman, papatayo kang bahay, tapos kapag halimbawa developer ka, real estate, no? Bibilin mo yung mga lupang tiwangwang dyan. Medyo mura mo sila makukuha. Tayuan mo ng bahay habang tinatayo pa lang yung bahay o kaya lupa pa lang, ibenta mo na ngayon para yung mga tao nagbabayad na sa yung monthly at yung mga bayad nila ang ginagamit mo para naman sa pagpapagawa ng bahay na ilalagay sa mga real estate. Ganyan kaganda yung real estate, no? Kapag meron ka ng bahay, pwede mo nang ibenta, syempre, sa mas mataas na halaga. At kung sa community nyo, ay nung in-acquire mo siya, mura pa, kasi wala pa masyadong tao sa community, sa area. Kapag may gumanda na yung market, no? Halimbawa, nagtayo si SM, dumami na yung tao, diba? Ang dami ng establishment, nagmamahal na rin ang lupa mo doon. At that is a good investment. Insurance naman, yan, it gives the insured individual entity the capital, cash to deal with foreseen events. It gives the insured individual entity the cash or capital to deal with foreseen adverse financial consequences. May provide certain tax benefits. So, alam na natin kung ano yung insurance, no? Para sa iyong health, para sa iyong life, meron ding St. Peter, meron ding para sa education. So, investment yan. Ang disadvantage naman yan, syempre, kung magkano yung premium na binabayaran mo monthly, ganun pa rin siya, mananatili siyang ganun. Kapag in the future, medyo nahirapan kayo ng problema. On some traditional insurance plans, no sickness or death until a certain age may mean not getting any benefits at all. Meron pang iba, no? Yung hindi ka na rin papayagan na mag-avail ng insurance kung ikaw ay nasa gantong edad na, lalo kung life insurance pa yan. Or sickness benefits ang habol mo. So, some insurance companies can go bankrupt if companies fail to factor significantly adverse unforeseen circumstances. So, parang mga bangko rin yan, no? May mga times na kapag dahil sa external reasons, external factors, unforeseen events, ay maaring magsara si insurance company. So, ito yung mga example ng currencies. Yan. Peso, dollar, euro, at iba't iba pa. So, paano ka kikita dyan as investment? Magtatayo ka ng exchange, parang exchange, currency exchange business, no? Yun nga. Tapos bibili ka ng dollar, bebenta mo rin yung dollar. So, ganun siya. And other currencies of different countries. So cryptocurrencies, we have this form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. So itong mga cryptocurrencies na to, yung Bitcoin, yung Ethereum, at kung ano-ano pang mga naglalabasan dyan, pwede mo na siyang ipang bili ng gusto mong bilhin online. At pwede mo na siya ipambayad. So example nga, no, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, at marami pang iba. This can also be convertible to cash using a technology application. So, ang cryptocurrencies ay may blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. Commodities, example ito yung oil, yung gold, yung mga base metal. So, bumibili sila nito, nag-invest sila dito, bumibili, and then some other time, ibebenta naman nila. We also have the real estate investing. So, sabi nga natin kanina, ay bumibili ng lupang tiwangwang, papatayuan ng bahay, ibebenta sa iba, hulugan, or through pag-ibig. So, yan na yung sa real estate investing. So, ito insurance, iba't ibang insurance companies, Film Life, Manulife, Sun Life, Insular Life, Generally Pilipinas, Finance MD, Pro Life. Yan yung mga sa life yan. Meron din insurance education, meron din insurance para sa sickness, tsaka sa death. Ayan, kagaya nung sa St. Peter. For our question of the week, which is true about currencies? Letter A, generally accepted form of money. Letter B includes coins, papers, notes. Letter C may include US dollar, Philippine peso, and others. And letter D, all of the above. So comment your answers in the comment section. So guys, hanggang dito na lang ang ating lesson for this first week of the fourth quarter. See you again next week for other lesson. Have a nice day.